least, we have my oldest boar. This is Bruno. Bruno got his name because of his white little mustache for right there. And he reminded me of my old milkman delivery driver from when I was a little girl. And the name just kind of stuck. But shh, we don't talk about Bruno, no. Bruno is a very talkative boy. He is very cuddly. And I have a special care routine that I do with him daily, which stay tuned for that video. Bruno used to have a cage mate named Andre, but Andre passed away a few years ago. Over the course of the last 3